True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, today I am in the White House area. Yeah man, close to the White House town. Giving a tour, make a left turn. Yeah man, so big up on yourself, anyone I watch from. Big up on yourself. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So this is the White House area. So the see what I go on in a beautiful White House. So I am on Sunrise Avenue. So Sunrise Avenue is about 3 minutes drive to White House town. Very, very close by. Also very close to the seaside. I think on your left right here, that's the White House post office. Place a look quiet and nice. Can get a nice seaside view. So yeah man, big up on yourself. Anyone I watch from yard and abroad, and you can big up on yourself. So I'm giving a tour of the White House area. Yeah man, as I say, we are on Sunrise Avenue. So on your left, that's the New Hope Primary. We say a mango season now in Jamaica. You know when you come on to in the April, May, you know say a mango season also, crab season also in Jamaica. So if you don't want to crab, and the mango. And the need for come on in the White House area, so Black River, St. Elizabeth, anywhere you can get in the crab or mango. You know people up on the roadside that sell them, I do them hustling and things, so not have to worry yourself, you know. Yeah man, so you can tell me if you not like up the video. Tell me if you just like up the video, man. Like it up free of cost, like up the video. White House today, the White House in the Westmoreland area. So you have a whole heap of logwood on the road there, so like them do a lot of cooking in this area. Good for when you have a business, you know. So I'm going to take you back on the main road now. So this is Central Drive. Yeah man, Central Drive, me come on for you now. So on your left you have the Culloden Infant School. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.